Welcome to 172 Baird Road in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida, listed at $1.795 million, basically 1.8 big ones. And today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of this gorgeous property inside and out in a wonderful neighborhood next to the Emerald Coast with the white sand sugary beaches. This home features 3,058 square feet, 4 beds and 4 baths, but feels a lot. It's wonderful. I absolutely love it. I walked in and I was like, good Lord, I don't even know. I couldn't imagine living here, and not to mention in a beautiful neighborhood. I'll throw in some footage over here, and you've got across the street, the neighbors, they have some crazy water feature. I don't know, it sounds great. You're lush, you're in a jungle, your next door neighbor is Tarzan. I mean, it's a wonderful place to be. Great neighborhood, absolutely love the location, and well, hey, who's this big blabbermouth on your screen right now? Well, that would be myself, Greyson Roberts, realtor and owner of Boss Properties. If you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in the greater Emerald Coast area, give my office a call 24/7. I'm a robot, I don't sleep. And I'd be more than happy to help you purchase this beautiful listing provided courtesy of Stacey Bruce, a phenomenal person, a wonderful person I've known personally for many years. And now, well, she's selling $1 million beach houses. I mean, come on. So let me show you around it and hopefully you can buy it. And before we go any further, I do want to give a quick shout out to today's sponsor, Webull, long-term Boss Property sponsor, my personal favorite online stock brokerage. It's absolutely free. If you're trying to master your money, you can definitely check them out with the link in the description. They're giving my audience 6 free stocks. That's right, folks, 6 free stocks, all just for signing up for their free platform. It's a no-brainer. Get the free money with the link below. All you got to do is click the first link in the description, create an account, fund that account with as little as 1 cent. They're going to put 6 free stocks in your brokerage account, and you can cash them out in your bank account, make your move here a little bit easier. Long intro, you've heard more than you need. I'm going to flip the camera around, and I'm just going to walk you around this absolute beaut of a property. I mean, come on. I mean, how many people do you know when they pull into their driveway and they look at their property and they get out of their car and they look around, it puts a genuine smile on your face. I mean, I can't say that where I live. Where I live doesn't make me happy just being there, but this does. First up, the exterior and the neighborhood. Let me spin you around here. So here is your property. You got some pretty decent space given how close you are to the beach. A beautiful palm tree in your front yard, but look at your next door neighbor, Johnny Salamander. I mean, how beautiful is this? Runs down to the side of the property. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Hard to beat. Coming through here, take a peek at what the neighbors got. Just kind of show you up and down the street. Massive home being built right there. Stacey Bruce. This is what I was talking about. What is this? Don't know. Don't care because it's awesome. Look at this little beach road. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's head inside. Now, before we get in there, I do want to make it very clear that all of the furniture in here does come with the property. So for 1.8 big buckaroos, you've got all the furniture as well. So I do want to emphasize that everything in this home is going to be probably a little bit bigger than it feels on camera. I don't have the widest angle of lens, and well, this property is big and tall and opulent. So let's head inside. Coming in here, we've got beach house. It's perfectly already staged. Keep in mind, all of this is yours. Beautiful wooden beams coming through here. Gorgeous, thick countertops. Even my thick booty couldn't break that if I sat on it. Coming through here, you can automatically see your wine fridge. Look at this. 6-burner stove. Matching hood vent. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. I love those beams. Oversized shelving. Gorgeous black splash. Just love how this property's decorated. Moving in here, we've got pantry storage. High-end, very thick and durable hardware. Little window. Beautiful little bamboo shades. Look at these. Give you the view from the kitchen. We're actually going to run back through here and start with this spare bedroom first. Coming in here, the first bedroom in the property, and very spacious with a designed back wall there. Beautiful accent wall. And this is a king size bed, and it still has plenty of room. This is one of those properties where the furniture is very big and bulky, but it doesn't come across that way on camera because the room is so big it makes the furniture look small. But in fact, everything in here is huge and oversized. Little double opening door into your guest bedroom closet. More storage space. Wide doors. Coming through here, you have your first beautiful guest bathroom. Gorgeous vanity. Hexagon black tiles, can't beat that. All the black runs together, absolutely gorgeous. Very spacious shower. All right, coming back out into here. Storage, lots of paper towels. Those probably do not come with the house. All right, we'll head outside here in a second. I want to show you this giant chandelier that matches the rest of the property and this wonderful oversized dining room table. I mean, it is huge. 8-seater, comfortably. Another angle of the kitchen. Now, we are going to be moving into the living room. Look at that. Spacious, unlimited natural lighting. It even comes with a fireplace, a mantle that matches the rest of the kind of bamboo lightwood style in the curtains. Gorgeous floor-to-ceiling built-in shelving. Painted white brick tile. Gorgeous art up there that I'm pretty sure it's on. Yeah, I know it's on because I can see it flashing on camera. There's a light bulb back there illuminating that. That's awesome. Plenty of space. Ultra modern. Smells brand new. More outdoor. We're gonna do the exterior, the outside last. Gorgeous accented wall. You can actually feel it. It's raised. Huge living room. Tall ceilings. A lot of square footage for being this close to the beach. That's the cake on top, baby. I'll show you the garage real quick. And I'm pretty sure we do have the lawn. Yes, we do. Look at this. Wow. It's like an iPhone screen. It's not though, but built into this beautiful. Oh, look at that. Little mud sink there. Big laundry room. Which is good because you're gonna need the towel racks. You're gonna need the big laundry room for when you're coming home and your long day at the beach. Coming through here is the garage. Of course, we've got unlimited beach toys for the current owners. 2-car garage. Now, we will head into the master. Look at how big this room is. More design on the walls. Room for a big desk. Gorgeous chair. Look at this. King-sized, giant end tables, and you've still got that much to go. I mean, come on. Huge. One of the biggest dressers I've ever seen. And again, it's still pulled out from the wall. That just goes to show how much room there is in here. Gosh. Oh, it's like my dream room. Now moving into the master bath. You've got a black vanity, beautiful granite countertops with gold accented hardware. Oh, excuse me. Gorgeous Edison bulb light fixtures. Framed mirroring. Big windows in your freestanding tub. Love these. Hey, what's that, you might ask? Waterfall. Yeah, because why not? Turlet. Massive walk-in shower. I'll turn the light on here. Massive. Marble design on the walls and the bench. I mean, it's huge. You could have a party in the shower. Go into the large walk-in closet. Plenty of room for your sundresses and Hawaiian shirts, that's for sure. I love the crown molding on the ceiling. There you go. Through here. Accented color center bar, island. Well, very, that's a lot of counter space, folks. Check this out. Built-in hidden fridge. How about that, huh? But you're thinking to yourself, Grayson, you skipped the fridge. Where's the fridge? It's right there. It's just built into the cabinetry. What's this, might you ask? Not a pet crematory, but a freezer. Wine fridge. There's your oven as well. Little microwave. It's just so big in here. All right, moving up the stairs. More lighting. That's what I love about this property. It's oversized, plenty of lighting. It just feels homey. It really does for 3,000 square foot. Oh, you're just gonna have to look at your neighbor's yachts. All right. Moving in here, you have your second kind of family room. Perfect for the kids. Their own living room. Up, up, up and away. I mean, look how, this is a serious staircase. They could be watching whatever they want and they wouldn't even be bothering you. Coming in here, guest bedroom, very, very large guest bedroom. Beautiful built-in shelving with the black, I cannot say black accented wall and the custom desk. Absolutely gorgeous. Overlooking your squirrel neighbors. Tin roof on the outdoor, for the outdoor area. We'll show you that in a second. Look how large this room is. I mean, this is the biggest, largest, bulkiest, beautifulest, that's not a word, bunk bed I've ever seen, and I just love it. Your closet here. Oh. The Lego Millennium Falcon. Coming into here, of course, you're gonna wanna know you've got a strong bathroom for those crazy kids clogging the pipes. Oh, I love that. It's a little bit different than the rest of the property. A little silver there. Ooh. Uh-oh. Ooh, it's got the soft closing. Of course it does. Of course it has the soft closing. Gorgeous. Black walk-in shower. Nice heavy door. Rubber flooring. This is pretty cool. Look at that. Get every dirty nook and cranny, all the sand and crabs out of it. Now I'm gonna stop there. Anyway. Beautiful countertops coming through here. Love the light flooring. It's totally what's in right now for sure. A view of this big area. My mother owns that couch. Absolutely comfortable, and you'll very much enjoy it when you get all the furniture. All right, another guest bedroom. No guest bedroom has been, kind of a second thought or left out. They're all big, they're all beautiful. They've all got some sort of cool wall on them. More beautiful views in the morning. Very large, very large. Same closet situation. And the bathroom. 4 bed, 4 bath. Every bedroom has their own independent bathroom for when you're getting ready and coming home from the beach. Your friends, your family, your kids. No one's gonna have to wait and, sit there with their sunscreen on, sitting on the couch, just wait. Come on, get ready. Well, I gotta wait till you're out of the bathroom. None of that, folks. Not in this behemoth. All right, now we're gonna start moving to the exterior, starting with this one. Look at this, folks. How cool is this? Look at the ceiling. Oh, outdoor movie with friends and family. This house is great for entertaining for its oversized room, or with its oversized rooms rather. Modern ceiling fan. This is such a vibe. I would get this house just for this room. In fact, I'll probably try to saw it off with my pocket knife and take it home with my little car. I love this room. Oh my gosh. And completely screened in. Absolutely screened in. And that runs down to the side of the house I showed earlier. You do have a little bit of a privacy fence right there. So this brings us, it's gonna be locked, but oh, it's not. This brings us back into the living room. So that's the first area. Now let's come through here. Forgot to turn on the lamp and some of the lightings. This is your outdoor screened in dining area. Look at this. How cool. Giant. Open. Your neighbor's big house with a beautiful pool. Gorgeous little spot to grill. Another fan. Completely screened in. And if you're not from around here, what these screens do is they help keep little bugs out too. Is that obvious? Is that completely obvious? I think that's completely obvious. Coming through here, you got a grill and the Big Daddy hot tub. Listen, folks, if you don't have a hot tub, let me tell you, life-changing. Life-changing. And the fact that it comes with one, pretty off the rails. Look at that. With its own little pergola. Personally, I would string in some lights, throw in some curtains up there, maybe even mount a small little TV right there. Oh my God. Grilling out on your grass with the irrigation system, watching the game in the hot tub, smoking. Oh man. What a nice little oasis. Perfect for cigars, scotch, wine, whatever fine things you like to enjoy. Just lush. Palm tree in the backyard. Absolutely lush. Right over here, all rocks, so don't have to worry about that landscaping. And a little bit of outdoor storage. Other side of the house, no gate there though, I don't think. Oh man, this could, even though this is a really good setup, someone could really turn this into something immaculate. Man, if there was just a narrow pool right here, that would be insane. Look at all this opportunity. Lights and cameras up there. You know what? Maybe that other side is a gate because that's what this one looks like too. Bringing you over through here. That's your outdoor patio, completely covered in trees. Personally, the main thing I look for in properties is the backyard. And like I said, although this is really beautiful, it has a lot of potential that you could definitely take advantage of. It's already pretty awesome, but you could absolutely make this your own. Anyway, guys, this has been the listing at 172 Bird Street in Santa Rosa, Florida, right next to the beach. You saw the map in the beginning. I mean, it's 0.3 miles from the beach. And in fact, that's exactly where we are going. Me and my fiance right now from this house is the beautiful beach. So give me a call, text, or email 24/7 if you'd love to make this beautiful house your home. We can take care of all of your real estate needs on the beautiful Florida Emerald Coast Panhandle, or really anywhere else in Florida. We can help you out. Get that free money with Webull, and I hope you enjoy this tour. Share it with a friend, and maybe convince them, hey, go in halvesies. Let's get this place. Anyway, guys, see you in the next tour.